Tulo ka butang na dapat natin remember to have a positive outlook in life. Then the third one can change the way you see life. Number one, start your day with gratitude. Before mo i-check imuhang cellphone, kung nag-message na ba imuhang pinalangga, or someone no nga imuhang ginaway for that day nga good morning nimo, nakakaon na ba ka or whatsoever diha. Take a moment to thank the Lord for a new day. Then focus on the things that matters, not on the things nga wala nimo. Number two, be mindful of what you feed your mind. Your thoughts are shaped by what you consume. For example, aga pa kaayo, nakipagmarites na dayong ganito sa imong silingin. So, the whole day, it will affect you. And the third point, which is the most important thing, is focus on your progress, not perfection. No, you don't have to have everything figured out today. No, celebrate every small wins. Learn from your struggles, and always remember that every step forward is still a progress. Because a positive outlook doesn't mean life is free from problems. Alright? It means choosing hope, gratitude, and faith even when life isn't easy. Dili sa sayon. Right?